Getting people together at events like this are extremely important. Not only does it allow companies like us to show off what we're doing, but it also allows us to see what other companies are doing and collaborate with them.
I mean, with AI and the emerging technologies that are out there, knowledge is power, and the faster you can learn, the faster you can implement those technologies. So really important to attend these. We go to a lot of them. This was a great event. I think it gets better every year. This year is definitely taking it up a notch, and we're learning a lot of great things here.
From the work at the plant floor to the MES level to our connection to ERP, all of that is wrapped up by this bow called AI, tying it all together. And to me, one of the most interesting things, not only is it connected to those technology pieces, but then it interacts with the users in a natural language communication method that then puts all that information in a bow and brings, serves up the answers in a way that you and I would be communicating with each other over the breakfast table.
It was a great event for us last year. In particular, we had a great case study from another customer that actually kicked off our internal digital transformation. We got to see what other industries and companies are using in their world to see what they can do to improve processes and tasks.